Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recharge your Optus Prepaid mobile. Let's start with the My Optus app. This is the most convenient method if you are using a smartphone. First, open the app and log in with your Optus details. Once you are inside, look at the bottom menu and tap on Recharge or Services. You will see a list of available plans or the option to enter a custom amount. Choose what you need, then continue to the payment screen. Enter your card details and confirm the payment. After a few seconds, your recharge will be completed and you will receive a confirmation message. Now let's look at the website method. Open your browser and go to the official Optus Recharge page. Once the page loads, enter the prepaid mobile number you want to recharge. Then choose a plan or enter a recharge amount. After that, click Continue. You will be asked to select a payment method. You can pay using a credit or debit card, PayPal, or even a voucher if you already bought one from a store. Finally, there is the call method. This is useful if you do not have internet access. Simply dial 555 from your Optus prepaid phone. This call is free, even if your balance is zero. Thanks for watching.